Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on currency, banking and exchange. This is part 2. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Indian monetary system is based on A. Paper standard, B. Metallic standard, C. Gold standard, D. Credit money standard. Correct option is A. Paper standard. 2. Which of the following is the apex bank of India? A. RBI, B. SBI, C. SBP, D. PNB. Correct option is A. RBI. 3. Who has the right of note issue? A. Central bank, B. Commercial bank, C. Government, D. Cooperative bank. Correct option is A. Central bank. 4. Which of the following is the function of a central bank? A. Issue of notes, B. Banker to the government and banks, C. Supply and control of money, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 5. The ratio of total deposits that a commercial bank has to keep with RBI is called A. Statutory liquidity ratio, B. Deposit ratio, C. CRR cash reserve ratio, or D. Legal reserve ratio. Correct option is C. Cash reserve ratio. 6. Demand deposits include A. Saving account deposits and fixed deposits, B. Saving account deposits and current account deposits, C. Current account deposits and fixed deposits, D. All types of deposits. Correct option is B. Saving deposits and current account deposits. 7. What are the necessary conditions of the barter system? A. Limited needs, B. Limited exchange area, C. Economically backward society, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 8. What are the advantages of the barter system? A. Simple system, B. More mutual cooperation, C. No economic disparities, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 9. Which one is the difficulty of the barter system? A. Lack of double coincidence, B. Difficulty of division of goods, C. Lack of general acceptable measure of value, D. All. Correct option is D. 10. Which is the correct order of the money evolution? So correct option is B. Commodity money, metal money, paper money, credit money. 11. Money is what money does. Who said it? So correct option is A. Walker. 12. Which one is included in the primary function of money? A. Medium of exchange, B. Measure of value, C. Both A and B, D. Store of value. Correct option is C. Both A and B. 13. Which one is included in the secondary function of money? To make deferred payments, B. Store of value, C. Transfer of value, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 14. Money is a pivot around which is the whole economy clusters. Who said it? Correct option is C. Marshall. 15. The function of money is A. Medium of exchange, B. Measure of value, C. Store of value, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 16. The function of money include A. Value determination, B. Store of value, C. Means of exchange, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 17. Money is a matter which is A. A measure of value, B. Accepted as a means of exchange, C. Used to store wealth, D. All. Correct option is D. 18. By supply of money we mean A. Money deposited in bank, B. Money available with the public, C. Deposits with post office savings banks, D. All. Correct option is D. All. 19. Which of the following is not a function of money? A. Medium of exchange, B. Price stability, C. Store of value, D. Unit of account. Correct option is B. Price stability. 20. Which one is the bank of the public? A. Commercial bank, B. Central bank, C. Both A and B, D. None. Correct option is A. Commercial bank. 21. The primary function of commercial bank is A. Accepting deposits, B. Advancing loans, C. Credit creation, D. All. Correct option is D. 22. Deposits accepted by the commercial banks: A. Current deposits, B. Saving deposits, D. Time deposits, C. D. All. Correct option is D. All. 23. What type of loan is advanced by commercial banks? A. Cash credit, B. Overdraft, C. Loan and advance, D. All. Correct option is D. All of these. 24. Which function is the secondary function of commercial banks? A. Agency function, B. General utility function, C. Social function, D. All. Correct option is D. All of these. 25. Which is the agency function of commercial banks? A. Advancing loans. B. Accepting deposits. C. Act as trustee. D. Locker facility. Correct option is C. Act as trustee. 26. Credit multiplier is A. 1 CRR. B. Cash into 1 CRR. C. Cash into CRR. D. None. Correct option is A. 1 CRR. 27. Credit money is increased when CRR. Correct option is A. False. 20. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. So correct option is C. 29. The main function of commercial bank is, correct option is C, accept deposits from customers. 30. What is the Central Bank of India? A. Commercial bank. B. Central bank. C. Private bank. D. None. Correct option is A. Commercial bank, that is Reserve Bank of India. So this was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.